Hi friends, today I want to talk about Google Merchant Center, what it is, how it works in relation to your shop and your Google ad account on your shopping campaign. When you search any product on Google, then this interface will reflect where you can see products listing in the top, and these products are sponsored and charged by Google. And when you click on the shopping, the first row is sponsored and others are surfaced across Google listing, which is totally free, and their product pushed here by Google Merchant Center. All products owner has created the account on Google Merchant from where it is pushed to Google shopping listing. So just a brief slide to help me to sort of illustrate if you like. So here you can see you have e-commerce store, which in the symbol represent website. On the right side here you have Google Ads, so that where you are going to show your Google shopping campaign, and what we have then in the middle is Google Merchant Center. Now Merchant Center is where all your products information is stored, everything about your product that is taken from your website and stored in and kind of house inside Google Merchant Center. So we have from your store, your product information is pushed into Google Merchant Center, and once there it is all verified by Google. They make sure everything okay, and then once everything is approved and active, that information then gets pushed into your Google ad account, where you can able to build shopping campaign using that information. Now sometimes you will have third party tool called a feed management tool or feed management platform, which will kind of sit in between your website and Google Merchant Center. And if you are using one of these, your product information will go from your shop, your online store, into that feed management tool, or from that feed management into Google Merchant Center, which means that they don't have to have that direct link between the product information is not directly pushed straight from your store into Merchant Center. It is fed with this tool, which enable you to make certain changes to the It is fed with this tool which enable you to make certain changes to the feed and optimization, which we are not going to go into new. So that's what Google Merchant Center does and how it fits into the bigger picture. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.